Hi there! Welcome to the CompTIA A Practice Questions, Season 1, Questions 1 through 5. These questions are designed to test your knowledge and help you prepare for the CompTIA A 220-1201 exam. For more practice questions and hands-on tests, visit www.asebstudios.com. Let's get started! Question 1. Which type of laptop storage drive uses a smaller form factor and a single connector for both data and power, making it a popular choice for modern laptops? Is it A. 2.5-inch hard drive, B. Solid-state drive SSD, C. Dual inline memory module DIMM, or is it D. M.2 interface? The correct answer is D, M.2 interface, because it is a newer, much smaller form factor for SSDs. It uses a single connector that provides both data and power, making it ideal for modern laptops. A is incorrect because a 2.5-inch hard drive is an older, larger form factor that requires separate data and power connectors. B is incorrect because SSD is a broad category. While M.2 drives are SSDs, the option doesn't specify the compact design and single connector feature. C is incorrect because a DIMM is desktop memory, not a storage drive. Laptops typically use SODIMMs for memory, not DIMMs. Question 2. Which type of battery is commonly used in modern laptops and does not suffer from the memory effect of older battery technologies? Is it A. Nickel-cadmium, B. Lithium-ion, C. Alkaline, or is it D. Lead-acid? The correct answer is B. Lithium-ion. These batteries are widely used in modern laptops due to their high energy density and lack of memory effect, meaning they can be recharged at any time without reducing their overall capacity. A is incorrect because this older battery technology is prone to the memory effect, which reduces capacity if the battery is not fully discharged before recharging. They are rarely used in modern laptops. C is incorrect because these batteries are typically used in low-power devices like remote controls, not laptops. D is incorrect because these heavy batteries are primarily used in vehicles, not in portable devices like laptops. Question 3. A laptop technician is upgrading a client's Ultrabook to improve performance and save space. The client asks why the technician is recommending an M.2 SSD instead of a traditional 2.5-inch SSD. Which of the following is the key advantage of the M.2 interface in this scenario? Is it A. Larger storage capacity, B. Lower cost per gigabyte, C. Smaller form factor and single connector for data and power, or is it D. Compatibility with older laptop models? The correct answer is C. Smaller form factor and single connector for data and power. M.2 SSDs are designed with a compact form factor and use a single connector for both data and power, which simplifies installation and saves space inside modern laptops. A is incorrect because both M.2 and 2.5-inch SSDs can have similar capacities. Capacity is determined by the drive, not the interface. B is incorrect since M.2 drives are often more expensive due to their compact and advanced design. D is incorrect because older laptops typically lack M.2 slots and only support 2.5-inch drives. Question 4. Why might replacing a single keycap on a laptop keyboard be more challenging than on a desktop keyboard? Is it A. Laptop keycaps are larger and harder to remove, B. Laptop keycaps are more fragile and require careful handling, C. Laptop keyboards use soldered connections for keycaps, or is it D. Desktop keyboards have more modular designs? The correct answer is B. Laptop keycaps are more fragile and require careful handling. Laptop keycaps are designed for compact spaces, making them smaller and more delicate than desktop keycaps. Replacing them requires extra care to avoid damaging the keycap or the scissor switch mechanism beneath it. A is incorrect because laptop keycaps are smaller, not larger, due to their compact design. C is incorrect since keycaps are typically clipped or mechanically attached, not soldered. D is incorrect because modularity isn't the main factor here. The fragility of laptop keycaps is the real challenge. Question 5. You are troubleshooting a client's laptop. The client wants to upgrade the memory to improve performance, but after opening the laptop, you notice it does not use traditional SO-DIMM modules. What is the potential challenge you will face when trying to upgrade this laptop's memory? Is it A. SO-DIMM slots are incompatible with modern memory types? B. The laptop requires a BIOS update to recognize new memory? C. Non-SO-DIMM memory is larger and harder to install? Or is it D. The memory is soldered to the motherboard, requiring a full system board replacement? The correct answer is D. The memory is soldered to the motherboard, requiring a full system board replacement. In many modern laptops, the RAM is soldered directly onto the motherboard. This means it cannot be upgraded or swapped out like SO-DIMM modules. The only way to increase memory would be replacing the entire system board, which is costly and impractical. A is incorrect because SO-DIMM is the standard for laptop memory and supports DDR4/DDR5. B is incorrect since BIOS updates are rarely required for RAM upgrades unless a specific compatibility issue exists. C is incorrect since non-SO-DIMM memory is not larger, it's soldered, making it non-user replaceable. Cool beans! If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out www.asebstudios.com.